What is up, Ram fam? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're actually going to be installing some paint match mirror caps for the TRX. So let's go ahead and take a look. Just got them in. Pretty excited. Also too, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell notification so every time I upload an awesome video, you'll be notified. And thank you for joining the Ram fam. So here we go. We have both mirror caps, hydro blue. Off eBay, 60 bucks for both of them. And I'll be going over the install as well. Now here you go, both sides. Now while they're out and clean, I'm gonna actually go ahead and throw some jet seal and some ceramic on these real quick. Just kind of keep that gloss, help them. Make sure that we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, but here they are before. Also, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and leave a link down below in the description to make it nice and easy for you. Now, I'm gonna leave a link for the Hydro Blue. If you have any other color TRX, you go ahead and just throw it on eBay to search. I'm sure it'll pop up, or if you go to the store. So this might be the sketchiest part, is taking off the glass. Hopefully we don't break it, but just take your time. I'm not liable. Do this at your own risk, okay? What you wanna do is go ahead and tilt it forward. Let's focus right there, tilt it forward. That way you get a flat head. And I'm gonna show you where you guys wanna go ahead and put that flat head. So I was able to go ahead, I was able to get the driver's side. It does help if you put your mirrors outward. That way you're not pressed against the car when working. So these are the tabs right here that I'm talking about. Let me go ahead. This tab right here. So you wanna take your flat head and pry. And that way it can go ahead and unlatch from the motor right here. Once it does that, once you do that, and I pulled out with a little force, the other one came off, did not break, as you can see here. Let me zoom, magnify here. There we go. So everything's still intact. Now I need to go ahead and take these torque screws off. There we go. And get the mirror cap replaced. So there's a total of 4 T20s, 2, and then this one right here is a different pattern, so keep that one aside. But the other 3 are the same. So you're gonna need 4, and then you're gonna have to go and pry these out, just push these out. And I can already feel that the mirror cap's already loose. But go ahead and do that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go ahead and get the mirror cap off. So a quick tip, this is the driver's side. Grab 4 flat heads if you have it, and pry it to where it surpasses the latch or gets undone from the latch on each one. So there would be 4 flat heads. And on the final one, just press it that way in and push out, and then the rest of them will start bulging out, and then slowly work it. Because if you try to do one at a time, it's not gonna work. So just do 4 flat heads on each corner to kind of hold it in place, and then the final one, just give it that final push outwards. Came off. So here's what the driver's side looks like. Also too, just a tip, if you guys want to, while you have all this uncovered, just go ahead and clean it up with the microfiber, and then go ahead and reinstall the mirror. And I'll go ahead and show you the finished product with the passenger side. So here is the passenger side. Now, biggest tip I can give you is don't feel like you need to get each side done in 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. No, take your time. If it takes you 30 minutes per side, so be it. It took me about, I think, 45 minutes for both sides. But like I said, take your time. Here is the finished product. I feel like it's worth it. It definitely gives that nice blue and black contrast there. So let me know what you think down below. Hope you guys found this video very useful.